For this week's quick recipe, we'll be making LAILA'S Khaliat Nahal, honey beehive buns. For the dough, mix self-raising flour, yeast, sugar, salt, and baking powder together, along with yogurt and melted butter. Whilst that's mixing, add beaten egg and oil into warmed milk and pour slowly into the mixture. Add some water and mix thoroughly. The dough should be wet and sticky. Cover with cling film and leave to proof. Once the dough has risen, grease a baking dish with oil, as well as a clean surface. To knead the sticky dough, oil your hands and work it for a while on the surface, before shaping it into an oblong. Break off small pieces and roll them into balls. Flatten the middle of each ball and fill with cream cheese, folding up the sides and pinching shut. Turn the bun over and add to the tray. Brush the buns with beaten egg and sprinkle all over with nigella seeds and sesame seeds. Put in the oven until buns have stuck together and are golden brown. Drizzle plenty of honey over the hot buns and serve immediately with a hot drink, like homemade masala chai.